Hi! My name is Thomas. What's your name?
Jeffy.
Tomorrow I go to talk to Karen. She's a real good swimmer, and she can jump high too. And, when I talk to Karen, should I wear my shirt up, like this? Or down? Or up? Or possibly tucked in?
I don't know, man. Wear it like you're wearing it. You look great.
So what's up? Mallory here. Yes, you should see this amazing balancing act I've got going on, like a bottle with a jar and another bottle, just so I can get the right camera angle going on here. So I hope that it kind of stays and doesn't fall. You gotta be careful not to breathe too much. So if I seem out of breath, it's because I'm trying not to knock my camera over into the sink and get the water on it. Anyways, so I'm here because I've been kind of having an important discussion with my friend. We've been discussing my hair, which is pretty much amazing. Like, I don't know if you know, but I have really good hair. It's pretty thick, it's got lots of volume and body to it. It's also very annoying. Yeah, it's pretty coarse, and because it is so thick, it's kind of like a heater, really. Like, I mean, whoo, keep me warm during the winter back there. No, so anyways, the discussion that me and my friend have been having actually has been whether my hair looks better straight or whether my hair looks better scrunched / curly. I guess technically it looks curly, but technically it is scrunched, so it's kind of whatever. Yeah, so basically I'm just making this video to see what people think, you know, whether my hair looks better straight or whether it looks better scrunched, or possibly well, that's a little strange, a little different. It's a whole new look for me. I've never gone that direction before. I mean, I've come close. I've had some pretty short hair, you know, before, but, you know, maybe I could rock the bald look. You never know. Shiny white head never looked too bad on anybody. You know, I've known people, or bald, old people, usually, guys, a lot of girls, young girls. So anyways, just leave a comment. Whatever you want to write. You don't even have to write a whole essay or, you know, a whole story about, you know, how lovely my hair is or anything like that. I'll just accept 1 or 2 words about what you like, what you don't like, things like that. So you can write straight or